From LA Clippers owner Donald Sterling's racist rant to Chris Brown's legal woes, celebrities are making headlines for their run-ins with the law.
That's right. And here to break down the latest in entertainment legal news is attorney Domenic Romano. Welcome.
Hey, Dominic, we have to talk about Sterling. That's all anyone's talking about. Many are calling for him to be fired, to sell the team. Can that really happen? Is that really going to happen?
It's unclear whether that can be done. The main problem is that the NBA's constitutions and its bylaws are private. They're not public. So some information is leaked out. Apparently the Constitution does allow for an owner to be kicked out for non-payment of bills or becoming insolvent. But it's unclear that something like this, the other owners might see this as a precedent to other owners being kicked out if they say things that are insulting or against general public morals.
And he's the sole owner of the team.
That's
so
right.
that also puts him in more of a position of power.
Correct.
Right. Is it true that in the 68 years of the league, only one other owner has been suspended?
Yes, in 2000, the Timberwolves owner for striking an agreement, a secret agreement with a player to circumvent the salary cap. That was the allegation there. But, you know, constitutions can be amended. And this situation is so serious, so shocking, so repugnant that it might force the NBA to take action on an unprecedented level.
Well, do they have enough legal ammunition to actually force him to give up his team?
Perhaps not in the current Constitution, but definitely you're probably going to see the biggest fine in NBA history. Massive. You're going to see a huge suspension, at least 1 year. We're looking at some serious sanctions and ultimately divestiture, or forcing to sell the team. That's basically the nuclear option.
When you say a big fine, how much are we talking? In the millions?
Yes.
Wow. It
would surprise. Well, we're talking big money. Yeah. If a seven-figure number would not surprise, given the severity of what's gone on.
Now, he has a history of doing this. I mean, he was sued before by Elgin Baylor in 2009.
That's right.
The lawsuit against potential tenants in his apartment buildings brought by Hispanic and black tenants, potential tenants who were denied access to it. So we know that this person is capable of doing something like this. Is it really that shocking if he has this precedent?
Well, let's remember that the comments haven't been completely verified yet. But assuming that they are, some people seem to never learn.
Okay. Now, I know that in certain states, the person who is being taped must be told that they're being taped. Will that in any way impact the way that this case is assessed?
The thing here is there's what's admissible in court, and certain states are single-party consent, and certain states require both parties. And there's what allows the NBA to take action, if proven. If these are, in fact, his comments, the NBA cannot stand by and do nothing, regardless of whether there is enough consent to push it in court.